नमस्ते बच्चों, let us see some problems of exercise 4A given in R.S. Agarwal book, and the chapter is quadratic equation. We have to find the value of x, or we have to find the roots of this quadratic equation. Question number 17, and you have to solve it. First of all, let us write it in a standard form. 15x square, and where x will transfer in LHS, it will be minus x, and minus 28 is here, will be equal to 0. Now the process of factorization is we have to multiply the coefficient of x square with constant term. Here if we multiply the 15 by minus 28, okay, then it will be equal to minus 420. And now we have to choose two factors of minus 420 such that their sum is equal to minus 1. Nothing is here, then minus 1 is the coefficient of x. So as we know that x is 21 multiplied by 20 will be equal to minus 420, and minus 21 plus 20 will be equal to minus 1. So this can be written as 15x square minus 21x plus 20x minus 28 is equal to 0. Now in these two terms 3x is common, then here 5x will left, and then minus 7 will left, and then in next two terms, and this 4 is common, then here 5x will left, and 4 7 are 28, 7 will left. This implies that now 5x minus 7 is common, then here 3x plus 4 will be here, 3x plus 4 will be equal to 0. This implies that 5x minus 7 is equal to 0, and 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. This implies that 5x is equal to 7 and 3x is equal to minus 4. This implies that x is equal to 7 by 5 and x is equal to minus 4 upon 3. So required roots is equal to 7 upon 5 minus 4 upon 3. Okay. Now let us see question number 21. If we multiply root 3 by minus 8 root 3, here root 3 multiplied by minus 8 root 3, then its value will be a minus 8 into root 3 multiplied by root 3 is 3, that is minus 24. Now we have to choose two factors of 24 whose sum or difference is plus 10 and multiplication is minus 24. Okay, so minus 2 plus 12 will be equal to 10. Minus 2 plus 12 will be equal to plus 10, and minus 2 into 12 will be equal to minus 24. So this can be factorized as root 3x square minus 2x plus 12x minus 8 root 3 is equal to 0. Now in these two terms, first two terms, x is common. Here root 3x will left and minus 2, and plus in these two terms 4 is common, and root 3 is also common. Then 12 divided by 4 root 3 will be equal to 4 3 is 12, and root 3 will divide 3 by root 3 times. That is, root 3 will left here, and x will also left here, and minus 4 to 8, minus 2 will be left here. Okay, then it will be equal to 0. Okay, now root 3x minus 2 is common. Here root 3x minus 2, here also root 3x minus 2, then x plus 4 root 3 will be there, here is equal to 0. And this implies that either root 3x minus 2 is equal to 0 and x plus 4 root 3 will be equal to 0. This implies that root 3x is equal to 2 and x is equal to minus 4 root 3. This implies that x is equal to 2 upon root 3 and x is equal to minus 4 root 3. So required roots is equal to 2 upon root 3 and minus 4 root 3. This is your final answer. Okay, now let us see question number 25. 4 root 6 x square minus 13x minus 2 root 6 is equal to 0. If we multiply 4 root 6 by minus 2 root 6, its product will be minus 4 to 8 into 6, that is minus 48. Now in factor of minus 48, we have to choose two numbers whose sum is minus 13 and product is minus 48. So minus 16 into 3 is equal to minus 48, which is equal to this minus 48, and minus 16 plus 3 will be equal to minus 13, which is required here. So this expression, this quadratic equation, can be factorized as 4x square, 4 root 6x square minus 16x plus 3x minus 2 root 6 is equal to 0. Now in these two terms, 4 root 2 is common and x is also common. So root 6 divided by root 2, 4 is common, and root 6 divided by root 2 will be root 3, and x will left here, minus 4 4 is 16. So 2 root 16 divided by 4 root 2 will be equal to 4 4 is 16, that is 2 into 2 by root 2, then it will cancel with by root 2, then 2 root 2 will left here, and plus here root 3 is common, then root 3x will left here, and minus 2, and root 6 divided by root 2, 3 will be equal to root 2 is equal to 0. Okay, then root 3x minus 2 root 2 is common now, root 3x minus 2 root 2 is common, and here 4 root 2 will 4 root 2x will left, and here root 3 will be equal to 0. This implies that root 3x minus 2 root 2 is equal to 0, and 4 root 2x plus root 3 is equal to 0. This implies that x is equal to 2 root 2 will be positive upon root 3, and x is equal to minus root 3 upon 4 root 2. So required roots is equal to 2 root 2 upon root 3 and minus root 3 upon 4 root 2. This is your final answer. Now similar questions are given. So many questions are given here. Let us see question number 31. Question number 31. Let us see question number 20. Okay, 31. 31 is root x square root 2x square plus 7x root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Okay, this is the question. We have to factorize it. Now let us multiply the a and c, that is coefficient of x square and constant term. Then its product will be 5 into 2, that is 10, and 5 plus 2 will be equal to 7. Okay, then this expression can be, this quadratic equation can be written as 7x can be written as 5x plus 2x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Now in these two terms x is common, then root 2x plus 5 will left in bracket, and in these two terms root 2 is common, then x plus root 2x plus 5 will left here. Now root 2x plus 5 is common, then x plus root 2 will left is equal to 0. This implies that root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0 and x plus root 2 is equal to 0. This implies that root 2x is equal to minus 5 and x is equal to minus root 2. This implies that x is equal to minus 5 upon root 2 and x is equal to minus root 2. The required roots will be equal to minus 5 upon root 2 and minus root 2. This is your final answer. Now let us see next question. Let us see question number 38. The question is 2 upon x square 2 upon x square minus 5 upon x plus 2 is equal to 0. LCM is x square. Take the LCM. Then here 2 will be here, minus 5x, then plus 2x square is equal to 0. This implies that 2x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0 multiplied by x square, that is equal to 0. This implies that now 2 multiplied by 2 will be 2 multiplied by 2 will be equal to 4, and 4 multiplied by 1 is equal to 4, or minus 4 multiplied by minus 1 is also equal to 4, and minus 4 minus 1 is equal to minus 5, which is required here. So this can be written as 2x square minus 4x minus x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now 2x is common, then x will left here, minus 2 will left here, minus 1 is common, then x minus plus minus 2 will be equal to 0. Then x minus 2 and 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. This implies that x minus 2 is equal to 0 and 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. This implies that x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 1 by 2. The required roots will be 2 and 1 by 2. This is your answer. Now let us see the pattern of questions are going to change from question number 40. Let us see question number 41. Okay. Question is 4x square minus 4a square x minus plus a power 4 minus b power 4 is equal to 0. Here a power 4 minus b power 4 can be written as a square the whole square minus b square the whole square. It is an identity a square minus b square. At the place of a there is a square and at the place of b there is b square. and a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, that is a square plus b square into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. So your quadratic equation can be written as 4x square minus 4a square x plus a square plus b square into a square minus b square is equal to 0. Now product of this and this will be equal to 4a square plus product, if we multiply 4 multiplied by a square plus b square into a square minus b square, then product will remain the same. This is the product of a and c, that is coefficient of x square and constant term. Now we have to choose two factors from this so that their sum is equal to minus 4a square. So this can be written as 2a square minus b square multiplied by 2a square plus b square. If we put minus here and also minus here, then minus minus will be equal to plus 4, and if we add these two expression, minus 2a square minus b square minus 2a square plus b square, then minus 2a square plus 2b square plus minus 2a square and minus 2b square, then minus 2b square plus 2b square cancel, minus 2a square minus 2a square will be minus 4a square, which is the coefficient of x here. Minus 4a square is the coefficient of x. Okay, then this is the required two factors which is can be used to factorize the given quadratic equation. Then your quadratic equation can be written as 4x square minus 2a square minus b square x minus 2a square plus b square x and plus a square plus b square into a square minus b square is equal to 0. Now in these two terms 2x is common, then 2x will left here, minus a square minus b square will left here, and in these two terms minus a square plus b square is common, a square plus b square, a square plus b square is common, then minus 2x will left here, and minus into plus will be minus a square minus b square will left here is equal to 0. Then this 2x minus a square minus b square will be common, a square minus b square will be common, then here 2x will left, minus a square plus b square will left here is equal to 0. This implies that 2x minus a square minus b square is equal to 0, and 2x minus a square plus b square will be equal to 0. This implies that x is equal to a square minus b square upon 2, and x is equal to a square plus b square upon 2. Then required roots is equal to a square minus b square upon 2 and a square plus b square upon 2. This is your answer. Let us see question number 45. The question is, we have to find the value of x, or we have to find the roots of quadratic equation x square plus 6x minus a square plus 2a minus 8. Okay, is equal to 0. Now see here, this is also a quadratic polynomial. A square plus 2a minus 8, its degree is 2, so it is also a quadratic polynomial. Let us factorize it first, or you can factorize in the solution also. X square plus 6x minus let us factorize it. 1 multiplied by minus 8, 1 multiplied by minus 8 will be equal to minus 8. Okay, and we have to choose two factors of minus 8 whose sum is equal to plus 2. Then minus 2 multiplied by 4 will be equal to minus 8, and minus 2 plus 4 will be equal to plus 2. So this expression can be written as a square plus minus 2a plus 4a and minus 8 is equal to 0. Now this will be x square plus 6x minus, in this a is common, in these two terms a is common, then a minus 2 will left here, and in these two terms 4 is common, then a minus 2 will left here is equal to 0. This implies that x square plus 6x minus a minus 2 is common, then a plus 4 will be here is equal to 0. This implies that now we have to multiply this 1 and a minus 2 into a plus 4, then product will remains the same, that is a minus 2 into a plus 4. If we add this, if we add a minus 2 plus a plus 4, then we get 2a plus 2, but here we required 6. The coefficient of x is 6, so sum will not be valid here. Then let us subtract it. Let us subtract a minus 2 from a plus 4, a minus 2, then a plus 4 minus a, and minus minus plus 2 will be here, then plus a minus a will be cancelled, 4 plus 2, that is 6, which is required, that is coefficient of, which is equal to coefficient of x. So this is valid, these two factors is valid for factorization. This implies that your factorization will be x square plus a plus 4x or minus a minus 2x. You can write here minus a minus 2x plus a plus 4 into x and minus a minus 2 into a plus 4 is equal to 0. This implies that x square, x is common, in these two terms x is common, then x minus a minus 2 will left here, and in next two terms a plus 4 is common, then x will left here, and minus a minus 2 will left in here, then x minus a minus 2 is common, then here x will left, and plus a plus 4 will left here is equal to 0. This implies that x minus a minus 2 is equal to 0 and x plus a plus 4 is equal to 0. This implies that x is equal to, transfer this with bracket, then it will be equal to a minus 2 and x is equal to minus a plus 4. So these are the required roots. A minus 2 and a plus minus a plus 4 will be the required roots.